October 8. Reuters Nate has been downgraded from a hurricane to tropical storm, the National Hurricane Center said early on Sunday, and was expected to quickly weaken as it moved farther inland across the Deep South, Tennessee Valley and central Appalachian Mountains. Nate was about 135 meters (215 kilometers) west-southwest of Montgomery, Alabama, with maximum sustained winds of 70 miles per hour 110 km/h, the center said in a 3:30 a.m. advisory. Nate will turn toward the northeast with an increase in forward speed during the next couple of days, the center said. Reporting by Brendan O'Brien in Milwaukee, editing by John Stanistreet or Standards Thompson. Reuters Trust Principles.